now, yeah. Honestly, inna the ghetto no sweet like Nestle. Hey, oh now, honestly. We used to have a good friend now. Whenever trouble, no one now. I was surprised when me hear say him losing life by gun now. And believe me, it hurt me to my soul. If you know me good country, I get out of control. Time for we stop glorify badness. Deep down we know say a madness. It only bring pain and sadness. Time for we start think about tomorrow. Cause the youth them living in a row. To a better place,